Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the VN app and creating a new project. This gets you directly to import tools. Once done, grant camera access if you haven't already. The scanner needs it. Next, tap Import or Media and select the QR code scanner option that appears. You're initiating a live camera scan rather than uploading an image, so make sure the camera view fills with the code. This first step gets you from app launch to an active scanner in a few taps. Now you're in scanning mode. Position the QR code inside the on-screen guide and hold your device steady. If autofocus struggles, tap the screen on the code to lock focus and adjust distance until the pattern sharpens. Make sure lighting is even, shadows, or glare slow recognition. Once the app recognizes the code, it will show a confirmation or preview. Tap to open the URL or import the linked asset into your media library. This captures the content and moves it into your project. After importing, confirm the item appears in VN's media bin and drag it onto your timeline to start editing. You can trim length, reposition layers, and tweak color or audio settings before exporting the final clip. Make sure to preview playback and save frequently. If the scanner won't read the QR code, clean your lens and retry. If that fails, force close VN, reopen it, and double-check camera permissions in your device settings. That single troubleshooting step fixes most scanning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.